Hey guys, it's me, Lila.
Hey guys, it's me, Ariana. So today I'm coming back with new vlogs. It's gonna be mostly every single week if I can find my.
Guess what, Ariana?
What?
I'm gonna homeschool you for September and October. We're gonna have to go in just for a meeting so Fran can explain. I'm gonna teach you the lesson, and then you have to go online and take the test. That's the only way to do it, right?
So you're homeschooling me?
So they put you on the homeschooling, and then once soccer is over, then you can go to regular class. But you still have to do the mini retreats, and your first one's on the 18th of this month. I need
Okay, you need to chill your team.
Where's the Wi-Fi?
So I'm vlogging every day for the next week because on Friday my sister actually comes back, which is very exciting. She's coming back from Portugal. She's been there for like 7 months. So I have here Lila, and she's on and then the loft. I don't know who's up here right now. Mia and Sebastian were up here. Hi, Mia. Oh. But yeah, I'm actually getting homeschooled because I'm doing soccer. I think it's pretty great. Want them?
Do this first. This is important, please. Okay. And stop your vlogging for now. You didn't even eat your breakfast. Where's your breakfast?
I did. I ate my cereal. It's in the car.
What?
Shh. Secret. So I'm gonna go, but I'll see you guys at the beach. Hey guys, so I'm at the beach right now, but I don't think you guys can hear me because of the wind. Mia is trying to make a sandcastle. I maybe will film some clips of us in the water. I am not sure. I feel like I have swimmer's ear. I'm not sure. People are staring at me because I'm vlogging. I don't care.
Coming back to eat.
Yeah, we're gonna go eat lunch.
Paula!
Hey guys, so right now we're in the loft. We're in the loft because it's lit up here. Sebastian! You look so cute right now. Mwah. Current update, the waves are crucial. That's why I look like this. I don't know how many times I got toppled over by these waves. They are very, very bad. I don't understand how surfers think. I got hit so many times with this thing and I slid.
I'm so into you, I can barely breathe. I say you're a place where we live. I ain't got cash, but I got you, baby. I got that sunshine, no broken heart. You make my night all summer. That I woke up feeling this way.
Hi, buddy. Hey guys, so I'm back from the ocean. I haven't been in the ocean for like quite a while. It's really sad, but it's really rough and there's no lifeguards. So obviously I can't go in. Hi, Mom. You're disgusting. Ew. Titi Lolo! Dadass. I'm so perverted. They're cute little couple. They're so cute. They're so cute. Basically, all I've been doing is tanning, sleeping, and reading my summer book that I have to read. Because I made LAL like language arts honors, I have to read a Tom Sawyer book. I had no idea, but yeah.
We're going out for dinner now.
The three of them are in our car while my mother's driving. I don't want to show the license plate, so here we go.
so let's not worry about tomorrow. Nah, nah, nah. We are good, baby, we alright, so let's not worry about tomorrow. Nah, nah, nah. We are good, baby, we alright, let's not worry about tomorrow. Nah, nah, nah. We are good, baby, we alright, so let's not worry about tomorrow. Nah, nah, nah. We are good, baby, we alright. Bite that tattoo on your shoulder, pull the sheets right off the corner of the mattress that you stole from your room way back in Florida. We ain't never getting older. Look as good as the day I met you. I forgot just why I left you. I was insane.
Hey guys, we finished dinner and now we're just looking at the boats.
Isn't it pretty?
Yep.
The dock.
The lights over
By the
there.
way, if you guys did not know, they were in my video. Which video was it? Adventures of Babysitting, right?
Why
Baby
did I-
Sebastian.
Can we get
Oh my
Mommy,
god, why do you remind me so much of
Mommy,
Oh my god.
you didn't know there was a step?
Yeah, not really.
You're
so stand to myself.
No, it's not here. Let me see your bathing suit.
Go like this. Shake.
That's what I'm trying to do. That's what I do. Then jump in.
You're gonna have to pay me enough to go in there.
How much?
Like a good $500.
Sure.
You're cheap.
How much do you think she has in her little piggy bank?
Good, I gave you $100.
I don't think I'm lucky enough.
Just for my credit.
I think that's gonna be it for tonight. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Mwah. Later. Say I love you.
Love you.
I love you too.
Okay.
Bye.